What's up, traders? My name is Anthony and today we're gonna have a new strategy. Strategies don't have to be really complicated. Everybody wants an easy strategy because easy strategies means easy wins. So that's gonna be a nice profit. Before we start the video, guys, I need to talk to you about something else.
Well, hey boys, I've noticed that 83% isn't subscribed to the YouTube channel. Could you please subscribe to the YouTube?
So guys, let's dive into the video. The indicator that I'm using is the Supertrend indicator. It's a very easy indicator. And what I will use with the indicator is just a small customizable piece on my part. So first off, let's put in the indicator that I will be using. It's called Supertrend. Indicator is from Kivan Osblich. It's a very clear indicator, and put in is the moving average exponential. It's very important to take the exponential, not the normal average one. So these two things are the indicators that I will be using for this video. But first off, why is a Supertrend indicator such a popular indicator by new traders? Well, because it gives an easy read and it fixes a major concern for new traders, which are entries. They also believe it's very profitable, but I guarantee you that if you follow the indicator just as is, you're not going to be that profitable, and that's why I'm customizing it a bit to my own preference. So win rate of the indicator is going to go up significantly. Customize input, and this is going to be the EMA 200 that I will be using. I will be using this indicator also because I can then spot in which trend we are trading. So in the bearish market or in the bullish market. But first off, before we're gonna trade, let's put in the EMA on 200. So the length will be 200. Also, let's make the line a bit thicker. We got the green lines and the red lines for the buy and sell signals. So I'm gonna take it with the blue color, but I will definitely change the thickness of the line so we can really clearly see where the EMA 200 is located. So now let's explain how this indicator works and how you can use it in the best way to trade and have the best win rate. So the Supertrend indicator will be really helpful to you because it both shows you the direction of the trend and also when you should open the trade. So another nice feature of the Supertrend indicator that is the ATR. The ATR is the average true range. And the ATR is indicated by the red and the green lines shown here. This is the green average true range. And this is the red average true range. So the nice thing with the ATR in place with the Supertrend, it will give entry based on the volatility and the momentum of the trend. So new traders will probably use only the Supertrend indicator. But when we combine it with the EMA 200, we will see a way better win rate. We will be using the EMA 200. So like I stated in a previous video, when we're above the EMA 200, we are in a bullish scenario, so in a bullish market. And when we are down, so underneath the 200 EMA, we are in a bearish market. So with the Supertrend indicator combined with the EMA 200, we'll take some nice positions. So first off, the important thing is we only long when the market is bullish. So when the candlesticks are above the EMA 200, but also vice versa. So when the candlesticks are beneath the EMA 200, illustrated here, we only take so short positions. So for example, you see the green line here. This means we are in an uptrend. Combine this with the candlesticks above the EMA 200. This means there's an uptrend within an uptrend. So I think this is going to be a great long position. And also vice versa, like I previously explained. We see the trend indicator with the Supertrend. It's in a bearish structure, and we're also beneath the EMA 200. So when will you take the position? Well, when it indicates the sell position? No, guys. You will take a short position when the candlestick is below the EMA 200. So wait for a confirmation candle and take the next candle. So you will, for example, will take a short position at this candle. Illustrated here. So here you will take a short position. So now is the question, where will your stop loss be? With this indicator, what I prefer is you take the stop loss at the trend line, at the ATR trend line, so it will be here. I'm also using, and like I always do, my risk management is 1.5. So now let's take a look how this played out. So what we're seeing here, that there's a sell indicator. Just wait for a confirmation candle, so wait for the next candle to close. When the next candle is closed, you will take a short position. The confirmation candle was made beneath the EMA 200. So this will be a short position. This will be the short position. And what I previously stated, set my stop loss at the ATR line. So this will be here. And I will be using a 1.5 risk management. So my risk management would be 1.5. You can see the indicated right here, guys. Here's my risk reward is 1.5. So now let's take a look how this played out. So what we're currently seeing is the target. So we will be in some nice profits. This is how you trade with the Supertrend indicator, and based with the EMA 200, you will get your hit rate way up. So this is in a bearish scenario. Well, now let's take a look in a bullish scenario. So now we'll take a look at the bullish scenario. What we're seeing here, the candles are closing. We're nearing the EMA 200. So what we're seeing here is we get a buy signal. It's above the EMA 200, but again, wait for a confirmation candle. This is the confirmation candle. So the confirmation candle is above the EMA 200. So this will indicate we're in an uptrend, so you will take a long position. This is where will be your entry at the close of the second candle, the confirmation candle. So again, where will be your stop loss? The stop loss will be at the ATR, so the green line. Well, we're taking a 1.5 risk management, so we're going to take it towards here. Now let's take a look how this played out. Almost, so guys, it almost hit the stop loss, but then it went into a reverse and our target was hit. So this is an easy to use strategy. I took some trades on the 1 hourly. I will also backtest it on the 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you the results. So guys, I've backtested this strategy and I think it's a pretty decent strategy. I've tested it on the 5-minute chart. I have to say, on the 1 hour chart, the strategy gets respected more. But combine it with the EMA 200 and the Supertrend, so guys, the win rate was pretty decent. It was 54% hit rate. So I think this is quite a nice strategy. Well, one recommendation is when you're in accumulation mode, so when the EMA 200 is quite near the ATR, I prefer to don't take those trades. I'm curious what you guys think of the strategy. Leave a comment below in the comment section, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the YouTube channel. Happy trading.